If the universe is the egg, what is the shell made of? What separates the unmanifest from the manifest? What allows something to be held before it appears? The Purana doesn't rush to answer. It stays with the image, as if knowing too quickly would collapse its power. I notice how often we live without any sense of containment. Thoughts spill endlessly. Identities leak into every situation. We experience ourselves as fragments, moving through an open chaos. But this cosmology suggests the opposite, that existence is deeply ordered. Deeply nested worlds inside worlds. Systems inside systems. Consciousness itself perhaps moving inside layers it doesn't immediately perceive. The more I sit with this, the more the egg stops feeling like a myth and starts feeling like a structural principle. Even modern science, in its own language, speaks of cosmic inflation, of contained beginnings, of observable universes bounded by horizons. Different words, same intuition, something held before it expanded. And yet, what fascinates me most is not how the universe begins, but how awareness fits inside this model. If everything emerges from within the egg, where is the observer standing? Inside it, watching from one corner of its unfolding. Or is awareness something that predates the shell itself? The Purana dosan deseteletis. It lets the tension remain. As the egg opens and creation differentiates, names appear, forces separate, functions arise. But the image of unity never fully disappears. It lingers underneath multiplicity like a memory the universe hasn't forgotten. And maybe that's why we keep sensing wholeness, even while living inside division. That's my point. Almost without realizing it, attention begins to shift again, from container to contents, from cosmic enclosure to the elements that fill it, from the structure that holds reality to the principles that animate it. What moves first inside the egg? What awakens matter? What gives rise to experience? The Brahma. A Pare seems to pause right there, at the edge of differentiation, and allows another lens to take over. One that doesn't speak in images anymore, but in principles. One that asks not where the universe exists, but how experience itself arises within it. From here, the inquiry naturally leans towards something quieter, more analytical, almost surgical in its clarity. Matter, consciousness, and the strange tension between them. And without announcing the shift, without breaking the mood, the journey seems ready to turn inward once again, away from cosmic images, toward the subtle mechanics of perception itself, toward the question of how awareness and substance recognize each other at all. That's where the next movement waits.